In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix there was an error during payment confirmation on Telegram app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you are trying to make payment using your Telegram Premium app, using your Telegram Premium account, and you are encountering this error, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix your issue. First, you want to make sure that you have enough amount in your wallet to make the payment. However, if you don't have any issue with your payment wallet, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, you need to go to settings and troubleshoot your Telegram app. To do this, just go to settings, and from settings, look for apps. Under apps, look for manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Telegram app. This will take you to Telegram app info page. First, go to Force Stop app to stop any background activity that might be causing this. Stop it, as this might be preventing this payment process. However, should this not fix your problem, then go to Google Play Store or App Store, search for your Telegram app and see if you have any update your app to the latest version. One of the reasons you might be experiencing this is because you are using an outdated version of Telegram app. Now, once you are done, open your app and try to make purchases on your Telegram Premium account, and everything should be okay. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.